This video is about manufacturing. Manufacturing is the practice of transforming base materials into completed products using various tools, human effort, industrial equipment, and specialized chemical operations. Originating from the transformation that took place during the Industrial Revolution, manufacturing has fueled both global economic growth and environmental challenges. As the engine driving most economies, manufacturing is central to modern life, but requires critical consideration of its planetary impact. An example of how manufacturing systems have evolved is the shift from traditionally manual assembly lines to automated systems in the automotive industry. Using robotics and computerized systems, car manufacturers have enhanced production efficiency and consistency while significantly reducing waste. Automation, however, while beneficial for efficiency, often results in increased energy consumption and presents challenges regarding workforce displacement. Manufacturing connects to several key areas: sustainability, by influencing resource consumption and waste generation; environmental issues, such as pollution and habitat degradation resulting from resource extraction; and IT, given the rise of smart manufacturing technologies that optimize production processes. These topics underscore the tangled relationship between humanity's technological progress and the health of the planet. The intersection of manufacturing and IT comes to sharp focus in industries such as 3D printing. Utilizing advanced design software and precise computer-aided manufacturing, this technology has revolutionized the ability to produce customized, complex components with minimal waste. By producing items layer by layer, 3D printing significantly reduces the need for raw materials and can use recyclable materials. This technology optimizes not only resource usage, but also allows decentralized production, lowering transportation emissions and encouraging local commerce. The shift towards smart factories highlights interconnected themes: the role of the Internet of Things in improving monitoring and resource management, advancements in computing that enhance precision and reduce waste, and new approaches to recycling complex electronic waste. Emphasizing efficient use of energy and resources, these innovations illustrate the potential for technology to align manufacturing with planetary well-being. Nonetheless, ensuring that such technologies are available across different socioeconomic levels remains a challenge, as does the need to reevaluate reliance on technologies that have harmful environmental impacts.